Did you know that you can make between $40,000 to $80,000 while you're still studying in college? Here's a list of 5 high-paying jobs for college students in the U.S. Campus representative. Campus representatives promote awareness for their university or college organizations. They create marketing content and organize events and activities to endorse and advocate for their college. Campus representatives may also maintain their university's online presence. Some campus university jobs require applicants to be current students at their university or college. Non-traditional working hours may also be required to host and attend events. Administrative assistant. Administrative assistants support workplaces with operational and clerical tasks. They answer phones, organize documentation and records, manage calendars, and prepare reports and presentations. Administrative assistants may also order supplies, organize office functions, handle travel arrangements, and maintain client and customer relations. Administrative assistant roles may require a specific level of education, such as an associate degree, and experience with tools like Microsoft Office and Google Suite. Research assistant. Research assistants gather, analyze, and share information related to specific projects. They work at university or colleges, in labs, and other educational, scientific, or commercial institutions. Research assistants create summary of findings, progress reports, interview questions, and share and explain results. This is a great option for students looking to find work in their targeted field of study. Most research assistant roles require a bachelor degree in a related field of study. Some industries may also ask for experience working in a lab. Bookkeeper. Bookkeepers handle basic accounting responsibilities for companies and organizations. They maintain financial vendor and client transaction records, monitor budgets, reconcile accounts and ledgers, and create and file financial reports. A high school diploma or equivalent is a typical requirement for bookkeeper jobs. Strong mathematical and analytical skills are a plus. Freelance writer. Freelance writers create digital and print content for clients. They research assignment topics, write content, receive and implement editorial feedback, and learn and apply the voice of the brand or organization for which they are writing. Some freelance writer positions will require work samples and experience writing for a specific industry. In addition to these top jobs, here are a few tips to help you find the right role for your needs. When possible, find a job with responsibilities that align to your area of study. This can help you build relevant experience on your resume and make professional connections in your desired industry. Consider finding a job on campus, such as research assistant or campus representative. University jobs tend to be more flexible and understanding of school schedules and require little to no commute. Visit the Career Services Department on campus to learn about additional opportunities, prepare your application materials, and practice interviewing. Now you're ready to find a great job that pays well and fits your school schedule. If you found this information helpful, create or sign into your free Indeed account for more career tips, company reviews, and new job opportunities.